Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you had such a great time during New Year's. It is actually the 28th today. Wait, let me check. It's 29th. And since I never finished my previous vlog, I thought I would continue it today because we still have a couple of stores to visit. And I'm thinking of going to DIOR, and I also want to go to PRADA because I honestly don't remember the last time I've been there, and I've seen so many pretty items and I'm actually interested in some of them, so we'll see. And there is also FENDI that I want to check out as well, so that's what we are doing. I'm also getting my manicure and pedicure done today. I'm so excited. Hopefully by the end of the year I'll manage to get a haircut as well because my ends are so dry and disgusting right now. It's such a beautiful day outside. It's sunny. There is not a single cloud, but at the same time it's freaking freezing. So every day it's around -2, -5. It really depends. In the evening it's like -10, 15 degrees, so it's pretty cold. It's still sunny today and I'm still excited about going and doing a little bit of shopping. We're going with my mom again, so yeah, I'll see you there in a bit. Bought two little presents. Well, I bought them for my mom and my sister, and now I think we're gonna go to Saks because there is something I want to look for my dad and for my little brother, so we're gonna go there and check it out. But everything looks so pretty and so Christmassy, and here is Montclair. It's so beautiful as well. This dark gray marble, so pretty. The atmosphere here overall is pretty chill. Everyone is pretty chill. We don't have a lot of COVID cases in here, so it's very relaxed. And even on New Year's we're allowed to celebrate in restaurants until 4 a.m. How crazy. It feels like there is no quarantine or anything. We can have home gatherings with the relatives, up to 15 people I believe, and then we get to go to restaurants up to 30 people, but we do still need to sit at different tables, but I mean 30 people, it's fine. So yeah, it's very relaxed, and I actually really loving it here because nobody's really sick and everything is open until 10-11 p.m. so you can really just walk around, do your shopping, do your thing, go to a restaurant, enjoy your life. And that's why I'm just so happy we came back home, because I honestly needed some time to feel normal again. I guess in Geneva it's a complete opposite. All the restaurants, all the shops, everything is closed again, and people cannot even enjoy spending time with their families or anything. So yeah, I'm pretty happy that I came back home. Also, my mom said that my dad was interested in some, what's it called, Canada Goose jackets like the one I have. He really likes it, and maybe I can actually get one for him. I think it's gonna be such a cool gift for my dad. He really needs a new jacket, so yeah, we're now going to check it out, and I hope they do have some. They have some pretty ones in his size, and we'll be able to get the one he always wanted. Apparently I didn't even know he wanted one, so I'm glad we found a solution because it's pretty difficult to get gifts for my dad. We are now looking at the shoes in Saks, and here is all Christian Louboutin. They've got some Stuart Weitzman. I really love the high boots. They have the ones over the knee. They're really cool. And everything is 25% off, pretty much everything. But I'm pretty sure after the holidays they're gonna have 50 and 70% off. They usually do this massive sales every winter and every summer pretty much, but for now it's just 25%. Have a lot of Alexander McQueen. This is Bottega. Oh my god, hate you. But they have, as you can see, a lot of different shoes. Saint Laurent over here. This bag is kind of cute, but it's so tiny and somebody scratched it. Oh, this must be annoying. And they have a lot of Bottega dumpling bags, the pouch bags in different colors. I kind of like it, but I prefer the one with the chain, and I wonder if they have them. Have some Balenciaga. Here's me. What else do they have? Oh, this is kind of cool. Okay, let's go see some baggies. I see the mini pouch bags, the tiny ones. They're super cute, but they're so tiny. And okay, this is everything they have from Bottega. Not too many things, and I don't see the pouch bag with the chain actually. I see that one only. Is it called Jody? I'm not sure. Then they've got these belt bags. They have a lot of different Celine bags. I've always loved Celine box bag. This one, but this is the small size. Oh, and they've got my bag. So cool. Gucci's looking pretty empty in here. I mean, they only have 3 pieces over here, but they've got a lot of different shoes. I used to like these ones, but the lower ones feel like springtime. I think they look pretty cool. And then I think these boots are quite new, but still with the classic GG logo, the Marmont one. Nothing super exciting at Gucci. I mean, this is such an old logo on its back. I don't really like it, to be honest. This skirt is quite nice. The leather jackets are super cool. This material because it looks very old and worn and not nice.